Today we cover how to buy shares of JACS Acquisition County 2 and walk through the practical steps. JACS Acquisition County 2 is a NASDAQ-listed company trading under the ticker JACS, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be required to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you must add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JACS to find the correct listing. Confirm the NASDAQ listing in the search results to make sure you have the right stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Double-check the company name, ticker JACS, and exchange to confirm this is the correct security. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description below.